Welcome to social science class. History, Unit 1st. Advent of Europeans to India. There were trade and commerce relationship between India and Europe since ancient times. There was great demand for Indian spices like pepper, cardamom, ginger, and many other spices in Europe. The trade relationship continued between India and Europe and other Asian countries even during Middle Ages. The Arab merchants carried the Asian merchandise into Constantinople of Eastern Roman Empire. Italian merchants would buy these goods and then sell in European countries. Like this, Constantinople was the center of international business and considered as the gate of European trade. While Arab merchants had gained monopoly over the trade in Asian countries. Similarly, Italian traders had gained monopoly over trade in Europe. The fall of Constantinople in 1453 CE. The trade and commerce between Asia and Europe was taking place through the city of Constantinople. But in 1453, the Ottoman Turks captured the city of Constantinople. After this, many changes took place in Europe. Let us discuss what are the changes took place after the fall of Constantinople. Effects of the fall of Constantinople. All the trade routes connecting the city of Constantinople came under the control of Turks. The Turks started levying too many taxes on the goods passing through these routes. The merchants felt that the trade was not profitable as Turks levied too many taxes on the goods. Countries like Spain and Portugal started encouraging courageous sailors to find a new sea route to India. These are the changes took place after the fall of Constantinople. At the time, the invention of scientific instruments like compass, astrolabes, and gunpowder helped the sailors in their sea voyage. Reasons that led to the discovery of new sea route to India. The demand for Indian spices in Europe. The fall of Constantinople in 1453 CE. Spain and Portugal encouraged the sailors to find sea route to India. The invention of scientific instruments like compass, astrolabes, and gunpowder. a new sea route to India. How and who discovered sea route to India? Let's study. Vasco da Gama, Portuguese navigator who discovered new sea route to India. Vasco da Gama, who left Lisbon and reached Kapadu near Calicut on the east coast of Kerala in 1498. By this, he was successful in discovering a new sea route to India. The sea route discovered by Vasco da Gama continued to be the route of trade between India and Europe for many years. Like this, Portuguese became the first European to re-establish the trade relation between India and Europe. With the success of Portuguese, many Dutch, English and French arrived at India for trade. About them, we'll discuss in the next class. For more, keep watching my videos on YouTube channel and please subscribe. Thank you.